Hello guys, welcome to my biology online tutorials with me, Be Smart. Today we're talking about 6 body systems that you need to know in biology. I want you to take your pen, your pencil, your notebook, or anywhere to write this. This is very, very important. So number 1, respiratory system. The respiratory system helps us to breathe. When we inhale, we take in oxygen, and when we exhale, we release carbon dioxide. Our lungs are the main organs in this system. Number 2, circulatory system. The circulatory system is like the body's transportation system. It carries blood, oxygen, and nutrients to all parts of the body through blood vessels like arteries and veins. Very important. The heart is the main organ in this system. Number 3, nervous system. The nervous system controls our body's activities. Take note of that. It includes the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. This system helps us think, feel, move, and react to all our environment. Write that down. Number 4, digestive system. The digestive system helps our body break down food in nutrients that can be absorbed and used for energy organs like the stomach and intestines. This system plays a very important role in our body. Write that down. Digestive system. Number 5, excretory system. The excretory system removes waste and extracts substances from our body. Organs like the kidney filter blood to remove waste. Very important, which is then passed out of the body as urine. Take note of that. Write that down. Write it down. Write it down. Write it down. Number 6, skeletal system. The skeletal system provides structure and support to our body. It includes bones, joints, cartilage, helping us move, protect our organs, and produce blood cells. Those are the 6 body systems that you need to know.